Okay, so this is ray diagram of object beyond C. Okay, so this is your concave mirror. Okay, draw one line, make 3 points C, F, P. Okay, and keep gap 2 centimeter. Now here I will draw one object beyond C anywhere. So this is your object. So first ray will go parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis, and ray which is going parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will come through focus. This is your first ray. Arrows are compulsory. Okay, second ray will pass through focus and it will come parallel after reflection. Okay, it will come parallel after reflection. So here both these rays are meeting at this point. So this is the position of image. Okay, object is labeled as AB, image is A dash, B dash. Okay, and here you can see arrow is pointing down. So what is the nature of image? It is real, inverted and diminished. Okay, now object at C. So here object will be at C. In this case now image will form exactly at point C. So here you manipulate, make object and image in the beginning only, object and same to same size image. Okay, and then make arrows. Parallel ray will come through focus, adjust it in such a way that it will come from this point only. Second ray will go through focus and come parallel. So this is your incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. Okay, so in this case please manipulate, because if you do by proper method you may not get image exactly at C. So here this is A, B, A dash, B dash. So nature of image is what? It is real, inverted and same size. Same two rays you will draw for this case also. Object between C and F. Okay, so object between C and F means object will be anywhere between C and F. Okay, not compulsory exactly in middle, it can be anywhere between C and F. So first ray will go parallel, same thing. Ray will go parallel, and parallel ray will come from where? From focus. So incident ray is parallel and reflected ray is coming from focus. And then second ray, incident ray will go from focus, and then it will come parallel. So here both these rays are meeting. So this is the position of image. This is A, B, A dash, B dash. Here you can see image is bigger than object. So nature is real, inverted and magnified, or you can say enlarged also, magnified. Okay, now object at F. So here I will change one of the ray now. First ray is compulsory in all diagram. Ray which is going parallel to principal axis will come through focus. But here second ray we cannot draw. So I will change that second ray. So see here object is exactly at F. Okay, first ray will go parallel. Then it will come through focus. This ray, in every case, this ray is compulsory. It will come through focus. Okay, now here second ray passing through focus you can't draw. So what I will do now, I will draw third ray which is passing through center of curvature. Okay, it is passing through center of curvature and coming back following same to same path. So it is going and coming following same to same path. Now here you can see this, both rays are parallel. Parallel means like image is formed at infinity. Okay, these rays are looking parallel, but slightly they are bending and they will meet after covering very long distance. Okay, so here nature is what? Nature is real, inverted and highly magnified. Highly magnified. Image will form at infinity, very, very far. Okay. Now, object between F and P. So, in this case, what you will do? Keep object anywhere between F and P. So, this is your object. Okay. First line is same. Ray which is going parallel to principal axis will come through focus. So, here ray will come through focus. This ray we are doing every time. Second ray will pass through C. So keep skill joining tip of arrow and C and make line. So see, here you can see these rays are appearing to diverge. They are moving away from each other. So if you stretch it behind, if you pull it behind, you will see they will meet apparently. So apparently they will meet behind the mirror. So this is the position of image. So image is formed behind the lens. So this is A dash, this is B dash. Okay. So here just join this line. So nature is virtual, erect and magnified. So here we got magnified and erect image. Now object at far point. So here also again we have to do manipulation. So in this case I will start from image because I know here image will form exactly at F. Okay, so first make image, then do everything in reverse direction. So parallel, then this ray will come through focus. Okay, so this is your incident ray and this is reflected ray. Okay, and second ray will pass through C. Okay, so ray which is passing through C follow its own path. So it will go and come following same path. So here nature will be what? Real, inverted and highly diminished. Highly diminished. Now last diagram, object at infinity, the simplest one. Make two parallel lines, one above the principal axis, one below the principal axis, and just bring both of them through focus. Okay, here this is your incident ray, reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. Nature is real, inverted and diminished to a point. Diminished to a point. Achha, what is difference between far point and infinity? Far point means object is very far, but still countable distance. Okay, very far. And infinity means very, very far, like stars and other object in space. Okay, that is called as infinity, and this is far point.